English to Danish, as there, equals.
Der.
Welcome. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Ready to master the Danish question?
Der.
With a smile? Picture this. You arrive at your front door and a neon sign flashes.
Der.
It's like knocking with words. Try it with me.
Der.
Now add the thing you want. A restroom here becomes.
Der et toilet her?
To beat chant. Clap clap and say.
Der.
Gesture time. Raise your hand, tilt your head, and ask politely.
Undskyld. Der.
How it works. Flip the word order, plug in the thing, and you're golden. Statement versus question.
Der kaffe.
There is coffee. Flip to ask.
Der kaffe?
Mirror trick. Der versus.
Der.
Remember the mnemonic, there, to recall?
Der.
Get specific.
Der en bus til lufthavnen?
Means, is there a bus to the airport? Need, any. Use.
Der nogen?
Like.
Der nogen vegetarretter?
Time, to.
Der tid?
Mini dialogues on the go. Be the curious traveler, repeat after the pause and own the moment. You.
Undskyld. Der et toilet her?
Clerk.
Ja, derhenne.
You.
Undskyld. Der en bus til lufthavnen?
Agent.
Ja, om 5 minutter.
You.
Der mere kaffe tilbage?
Friend.
Der lidt.
You.
Der en billetautomat?
Staff.
Ja, lige der.
Clap and ask. Let's turn it into a catchy rhythm you won't forget. Clap clap.
Der.
Clap clap.
Der et bageri i nærheden?
Clap clap.
Der strande her?
Clap clap.
Der ild på Mars?
Sci-fi bonus. Your fridge opens and asks.
Der flere snacks?
Culture tip. Ask like a local. Polite, clear, and friendly wins in Denmark. Start with.
Undskyld.
Smile, add the friendly head tilt, and ask.
Der.
In Copenhagen, try.
Der cykeludlejning i nærheden?
If someone answers fast, enjoy the surprise help and say thanks. Quick quiz. Answer out loud, I'll pause for you. How do you ask, as there, in Danish? Answer.
Der.
Fill the blank.
___ et supermarked i nærheden?
Answer.
Der.
True or false.
Der.
Is used to ask about existence or availability. Answer. True. Listening check. What does this mean?
Der tid?
Answer. Is there time? Odd one out.
Der. Der det.
Answer.
Der.
It's a statement. Street challenge. Time to use it in real life, short, sweet, and brave. Ask 3 real questions today using
Der.
a map,
Et kort.
a restroom,
Et toilet.
and a bus route.
En bus til lufthavnen.
Bonus detective mode when searching for keys.
Der spor?
Remember the rhyme.
Der.
Where there. Wrap up. Great job, you just leveled up your Danish. Thanks for listening, keep practicing.
Der.
Everywhere you go, and replay this episode for quick drills. This podcast was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Find more lessons, transcripts, and quizzes at www.synapse-lingo.com.
Vi ses.
Next time.